In this video, you are going to see how to find the duplicate values in a Excel. So currently we are going with a small data, but in real scenario, you will be having a lakhs of data and you will find it's very difficult to find the duplicate value. So in that case, Excel has few formulas or a few functionalities that can be used to find the duplicate value. So in this case, we have Chatiswar Pujara is updated multiple times here. The same way, Umesh Yadav is updated two times. Okay, so now I want system to find the duplicate values in the cricket players name column. Okay, so I will select all these details. Either you can select column or select all the details where you want to see the duplicate, and then go to condition formatting. Under condition formatting, highlight cell rules and click on duplicate values and click on OK. So wherever it's a duplicate, you will find the details in a pink color like this. So if I remove, for example, if I remove this value, control minus, so you will not see Chatiswar Pujara's name in the duplicate like Umesh Yadav. If I remove this one, so it will automatically remove the pink color. So this is how you can check the duplicate values. Thank you.